Welcome, engineers. This speed of sound interactive calculator solves a fundamental acoustic engineering problem, determining sound propagation velocity under various environmental conditions. Whether you're designing acoustic systems, calibrating ultrasonic sensors, or analyzing sound transmission in different media, accurate speed calculations are critical for your work. Let's explore the calculator's capabilities. The calculation mode dropdown offers 6 distinct options: speed in air from temperature, speed in air with temperature, pressure, and humidity, speed in ideal gas from molecular properties, speed in water from temperature, distance from speed and time from speed and distance. For today's demonstration, we'll select speed in air temperature, pressure, humidity to show the most comprehensive calculation. With this mode selected, you'll see 3 input fields appear. Temperature in degrees Celsius accepts your ambient temperature measurement. Pressure in kilopascals requires your atmospheric pressure reading. Relative humidity as a percentage completes the environmental parameters. Let me demonstrate with realistic values. I'll enter 20 degrees Celsius for temperature, 101.3 kilopascals for pressure, and 50% for relative humidity. After clicking Calculate, the speed of sound result displays 343.4 meters per second. This precise value accounts for all 3 atmospheric variables, giving you accuracy beyond simple temperature-only calculations. This output represents the actual velocity of sound waves through your specified medium. For ultrasonic distance measurements or acoustic timing applications, this precise speed value directly impacts your measurement accuracy and system calibration. Here's a critical insight. Humidity significantly affects sound speed. Many engineers overlook this, using dry air calculations that can introduce errors exceeding 1 meter per second in humid conditions. Find the link in the description below.